Well, this workshop, Developing the Leaders Around You, I feel is one of the most critical workshops for leaders that want organizations that create above average growth. And if you think about it, think about your organization today. If you look at yourself as an 8, 9, or 10, most of the people looking at this video probably feel they're 10s. But as you look down in your organization, ask yourself, how many of the people in my organizations are 9s? How many are 8s? How many 7s? How many 6s? And imagine if we could take those 6, 7s, and 8s and move them up a notch in terms of their leadership ability. Just imagine the impact that can have on your growth. They say that if you want to add growth, in other words, if we want to average growth, then lead followers. And that's what most people do today, is they lead followers. But if we want to explode, if we want to multiply, if we want transformational growth, then we have to lead leaders. And you know, they say that leaders see more, they see farther, and they see before others see. They say followers see the situation as it is, but they don't have the ability to see it better. They say a leader is one who can see the situation as it is, but they've got that ability to see a better, a new ideal, a better way to do things, a way to raise the performance of the organization. So ask yourself the question, how many people on my team are coming to me with new ideals of how to make the organization better? That's a quick litmus test of who's got leadership on my team. And if they're sitting back waiting, or they're not coming to you and being assertive about ways that they can take the organization to the next level, then one of two things may be taking place. One, you may need different people. Or number two, and which is what I think is the real goal of the leader, is we may need to develop more leadership skills and leadership instinct in those individuals. What we'll cover in our workshop is how to create an environment for leadership development, how to create a culture. This isn't about giving you more work. It's about creating a culture and a standard where the people on your team aspire to go to a greater level of leadership. I sure hope you'll be with us in our workshop, Developing the Leaders Around You.